If you missed our first episode in the New Zealand series, we explored the glowworm caves and stayed the night in Waitomo. Today we're heading east to the Coromandel Peninsula. We stopped through Hamilton for lunch, had to try one of these meat pies that I'd seen all over New Zealand. It was just a quick stop, and then we continued our drive up and over the mountains of the Coromandel Forest Park, which is stunning. But let me tell you, it's not for the weak if you get carsick. I didn't really capture how beautiful this drive is. It was a little difficult while it was raining, but trust me, it's beautiful. There is so much to see in this area. We made it to our first stop here on the east side of the island. Now, this is not why I came to the east side of the island, but when I looked at the map, this was kind of a novelty. This is Hot Water Beach. I saw it was very close to where we were staying, so I had to check it out. And apparently, there is a hot spring in the sand, and it's right over, I think it's over this rock here, right over there. You can only reach it during low tide. And, you know, the weather has not been awesome. It was a long, rainy day today, a long mountainous drive. Note that in New Zealand, everything's going to take you longer than you think to get to your destination. But we had to come here first because it's low tide right now. So we're going to go check it out. Hot Water Beach. Now, it does say there are strong rip currents, large waves, and sudden drop-offs. So this is not exactly the safest place, but this is what the big novelty is. Now, I decided, even though I have my swimsuit, it's just been kind of a wet day. We're only here one night, so I don't think I'm going to actually do any soaking, but I want to see what this is all about, and I want to experience the hot water spring. Maybe with just my hand or my foot. Okay, so if you notice, that person there is up to their waist in water, and I'm not willing to go in water that deep. In fact, it might be deeper over here since it's thinner.
It's flowing a lot quicker right here.
So we may have to find another access point. What do you think? Probably higher water than normal because of all the rain. All right, well, I am not willing to go waist deep in the water. I do not have my swimsuit, so that's the only way to cross. These people are getting quite wet, and you know, they've had a ton of rain in the past 24 hours, and we're gonna watch and see how deep the water goes. There is another access point to Hot Water Beach, so I think we're gonna go down the other way, see if we can access it. All right, if I was better prepared for a beach day, maybe, but today is not that day. Well, that's what you can find here. It's been rainy more than normal, and yesterday when we were at Waitomo Caves, the water levels were rising in the river because of all the rain they've had. So I think this is probably an unusual situation. So we're gonna see if we can get to it the other way. We found a second access point. Another nice little parking lot. So hopefully we can reach it this way. They do surf lessons here. I feel like that would be challenging. Yeah. Wow. Those are noisy seagulls. Boy, they've got all the advertisements here. Hi. Okay. This is a marine reserve I see here. Okay, it's a little bit painful on the feet. When you have virgin feet like me, I don't go barefoot enough. We still got to cross a little something, but does not look as dangerous as deep. It doesn't look as deep as the other one. This is our first look at the Pacific. No, we saw the ocean in Auckland, I guess, but this is our first stop at the beach here in New Zealand. And I don't know that we're going to see the beach again. So, this is gorgeous. I think we can get to it right here. Because I see somebody walking over there. As long as this isn't quicksand. Ooh, it's chilly. But you know what? It's not as bad as I would have expected.
It is chilly.
given how cold and rainy it's been. It's beautiful. It's quite a walk. We'll see, we may have another challenge up ahead. I did not bring my microphone and I didn't want to bring my nice camera out to the beach, so I'm sure it's windy on the microphone. I'll stop talking. So far, a pretty pleasant walk. Just a little chilly, but actually, I'm not gonna say it. I'm glad that the clouds are cooperating. I'll just leave it at that. Oh, beautiful trees here. These rock formations here are really incredible. And this tree, these probably make little caves in here. Just gorgeous. Seagulls hanging out there. Whoa, look at that wave. Tell where the hot water springs are, where all the people are congregating and digging their holes. Are you okay? Is it cold? The Pacific is cold. I think low tide is ending soon. The guy at the hotel said, you probably can't hear me, so I'm gonna get a little closer to the microphone here. I'll talk up here. He said he marked the time of low tide and he said you have 2 hours before and after to come check out the hot springs. So everybody is hard at work digging.
Sitting in it.
This is like a kid's dream here, to dig your way to a nice hot tub. This must be the place. And you can kind of see steam, like on the sand. There's a little bit of steam on the sand. Well, it was when the tide went back. I want to just feel, is it hot? Is the water hot? It is. The water is very hot. There comes the cold water. There they are, working on it. They probably don't want us in their hole. They said we dug the hole, damn it. Wonder, oh, you can feel it right here. It gets deep and you can kind of feel it. Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah, that's not
It's warm on my feet. It's warm on my feet until the cold water comes in. It's warm down in there. It's a lot of work. People are probably like, we worked really hard for our hole, so we don't want you taking
no,
it.
they've been digging to keep the whole. If that makes sense.
Ooh, it's warmer over here. Come a little further. This is a very interesting phenomenon.
It's very crazy.
Look at the rocks are really green.
I know.
Ooh, I got
Wow.
a really hot, like, it comes and goes. I want to see what this feels like here. Nope, that's cold.
Come get in this hole.
Okay. Woo! Oh my god. That's nice. Yes. Now let me dig. Oh shit, that's really hot. Like burn me hot right there. Put your foot right there. Right here. Oh, that's like really hot.
Did I ever mention the water's hot?
Like,
Yeah.
ooh. Dang.
I agree.
That is crazy. Huh? Well, there's a hot spring right here. Wow. Woo! That is there's some really, really hot spots here. Oh, interesting. Ooh, such a temperature difference. Woo! Like really hot. Oh my God, that's like burning me hot. Right there.
Yeah?
Natural hot tub right here, folks. I'm gonna try to do something. Hot water springs right here. You can dig down and get really hot water here in this cold, freezing cold beach. It's bizarre. And our hotel had these shovels here, so if you stay in the area, they'll probably have shovels you can use. Well, we did it. We experienced hot water beach, and now it is raining on us, and the tide is starting to come in. I'm just glad we got to experience it. I've never seen anything quite like that. So many interesting natural phenomenon. I can't talk. So many interesting natural phenomena here in New Zealand. Woo! Where's our beer?
Where's my beer?
We did it, just barely. I'm soaking wet. So the rain came, and it is spring here, and the weather has not been amazing. But, mission accomplished. All right, I think I picked the rainiest weekend here in this area. So I picked this place because, well, it was really close to the two sites that I wanted to see, but it was also within walking distance of a general store, the brewery, and another little restaurant for the morning. So I'm telling you, it's just a few steps from our room. This building on the left is the brewery where we are going for dinner. It's a really cute area, and I'm pretty sure that this small collection of buildings makes up the majority of the town, other than the houses. Okay, so there's this place too. Pizza, burgers, eatery, and ice cream. Oh, sure. Okay, so this is the cafe. We're hoping to get breakfast in the morning. The place we're staying does not have free breakfast, but I knew that this little cafe was right here. Probably can't even hear me very well with the rain and the umbrella.
It's
7 days a week, 8:30. That's late. Dang, they get a late start around here.
You could see if that other place around the corner.
The ice creamery, what time they open?
No, there's another little,
Oh, there's a general store.
well, and there's a little cafe. It's like Little Blue something or other. That was a bakery.
I may have to take some food to go to eat in the morning when I get up.
On the farm.
You see this tree? Oh, this is it, and I almost missed it. Home of the Coromandel Brewing Company, the Poorhouse, Hahei, New Zealand. Isn't this beautiful? The tropical look. I love it. It's gorgeous. All right, we're going in. It looks like we're the only ones here. Is it too early? For the early bird special? Oh, it's locked.
Oh, shit.
They're not open yet.
What time do they?
We're too early. They look like they're getting ready. We'll have to look it up.
Hello there. It's not quite ready yet. Grab a seat. Yeah, it's still not quite ready though.
Here I'm telling you, they pretty much had pizza and beer and a few other items on the menu like salad, and it was a really great place. I really enjoyed it. They had loud copyright music, so I can't play that for you here on this video, but I hope you can subscribe. Next week we're going to be going to some amazing scenic spots here in the area, and I'm going to show you around Hahei, show you some gorgeous beaches. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.